Hey guys, it's Chef Bhima here again today, and today we would like to show you guys another one of our recipe videos showcasing the township Kota, but with a vegan twist, making it the Rasa vegan Classico Kota. Thank you guys, let's check it out. Hey guys, so I'd like to give you a brief synopsis about the traditional township Kota and why it came about to be. So during the times of when South Africa was experiencing some hardship during the Apartheid regime, and when the minorities and the Segregation Act happened, in order for people in the township to have food, there was a shortage of food. So what they did is they made a nice meal for themselves called the Bani Chow, or collectively known as the Kota in the township. And it was made to serve the hunger of the people. So it's a dish that's packed with enough nutrients to sort a person out for the rest of the day, to keep them full for quite a cheap price. Okay, we're making the vegan egg now to go inside this Classico Kota. And a bit more further information about the Kota is that it's so inexpensive. Literally, when I was in high school, they used to sell it, and there was a long line for this person who was selling these fast foods, and you could see the demand was great because this food, or this fast food, this township fast food, it's quickly accessible and it is a hunger buster, filled with all the favorites, but now all these favorites are turned vegan. Chef Bhima here guys again. So we're just at the conclusion part of making the vegan Classico Kota, and let us do it. After you finish frying your vegan meats, the vegan biltong and the vegan sausage, let's get plating. So once we've got our cut bread ready, we put it in our plate. Next thing, you grab your chakalaka or acha and you put it at the base. And you want to get all of that nice chili oil in there, because that's where the flavor is at. Next thing, you're going to add a lettuce leaf. The taste of lettuce, guys, is phenomenal. It has a very distinct taste, which is so delicious. Next, the chips. So what I did is I spiced these chips up with a special Rasa masala to make it extra special, guys. Okay, you stack these chips in, guys. Don't be afraid. This is a hunger buster. Okay, then you add some of your vegan biltong. You add your sausage. And then, almost to top it off, you're gonna add your sauces, tomato sauce and mustard. your vegan cheese. And to finish it off, guys, how it's served in the township is they put an egg on top. You get your cut out bread you have it with, and you leave it on the side like that. And there we have it, finished product. Rasa vegan Classico Kota.